Welcome to the Cooking General, man. I'm finna take you to the country. The country! Man, we finna do some bacon cheeseburger meatloaf. You ain't never had one? Or you had somebody try to make one and really know what they was doing? Come in, let me show you what you need for this here. Now, this gonna be a bacon cheeseburger meatloaf, so we're gonna have a pound in each ground meat, so that's 2 pounds. Spank them right there. Now we're gonna use a little black pepper and a little salt in it, but we also got some of this Pioneer meatloaf mix we're gonna add into it to help kind of seal the flavor. Then we got some bacon right here, and we got a triple threat, triple cheddar. If you've never seen this in the store, pick it up, good. Onions, bell pepper, and a couple of eggs. And we're gonna do this meatloaf, oh, it's gonna be good. I'm telling you, and then we're gonna even make some mashed potatoes and green beans on the background, man. Country dinner, think about it. Welcome back to the Cooking General, man. This bacon cheeseburger meatloaf is gonna be off the chain. Now, a lot of producers, I hate getting producers in here. They keep telling me, oh, you got to do something with your hands, yo. I'm more white, so I don't need to do no hand. But they want me to mix the eggs up like this here. That's 2 eggs. That's 2 pounds of ground meat. You want to dump them in there like that. Now, I got my onions, my bacon, and my bell pepper. Already done. Put the bacon in the oven. Cooks a lot better. And I want to scrape that in there. And I told him I get everything out of there. There we go. Now, I'm going to take my package of Pioneer season, open it up, and you want to dump that in there because we're going to mix this up good. Now, just a little salt. Right there. Some black pepper. About right there. And one thing I didn't tell you, you need 1 can of tomato sauce. And we're going to dump that in there. And they want to give me a thing to cut this open up. I told them I use a knife. Ooh, they go, oh, we don't want to get you hurt. We don't want to get sued. That's all right. Put a little water and shake it up and put it in there. Shoot, I ain't waste nothing. They ain't got gloves on mixing this stuff up. I mixed up my hand. They ain't got to eat it. Shit. Don't come tell me to put some gloves. Man, I'm more watching. We don't do this stuff. We mix this up and we do it good. Now, we're going to mix this on up real good. And man, food gloves. We're going to mix that up good. We're going to make it into a meatloaf. And y'all ain't got to eat it. I the one got to eat it. I use these hands. I use these hands for a long time. I use the hands to... You better ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Check this out. I got all my ingredients added in here. Got it mixed up good. Now what you want to do, you want to take that triple threat, that triple cheese, and you want to load that booger up in there like that. You want to put it kind of in the center because that's why we're going to focus our cheese at right here. And you want to save a little bit for the top. And if you don't, I always buy 2 packages anyway, so it don't make no difference. Then you want to kind of roll it over there like that. There you go. And you shape it into your meatloaf. There we go. Talking about the Cooking General on the way. Man, I know what I'm doing. I'm doing this too long, y'all. Doing it too long. Close this up. You talking about a hell of a meatloaf. Bacon cheeseburger meatloaf. Okay. Got my pan right here. I'm finna put it in the oven. And we're gonna put it on 350. Let's close all this up. Now, make sure nothing get out of there. Make sure you get all your crevices and everything covered. Oh, you talking about a good meatloaf, man. I'm not telling you. I'm telling you. I'm finna do this here. Finna do it right. Oh, it's a bacon cheeseburger meatloaf. Man, I want it. I can't. Cooking General, man, I'm telling you, that meatloaf was so huge, I had to go to a new pan. And I done some reshaping to it, so I want y'all to check it out. Man, some bell peppers, you got your onions in there, you got the bacon in there. And it's finna go in the oven for 350, you know what I'm saying? So open your oven up, put it in there for 350. Whew. I ain't finna, y'all want me to do something stupid. Nope, cut, I ain't finna do it. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal, man. I got it done, Bacon cheeseburger meatloaf. Ooh, man, y'all come here and check this out. Man, look at this. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Man, a bacon cheese. It's got the bacon in there. You know I put the onions in there. I can smell them onions. Ooh, man. You just get your piece over there and put it on there. Oh, look at it. It's so tender. Oh, got the cheese. Got the bacon in there. Remember that. And then, you know, I made some mashed potatoes. You know me. Get me a little mashed potatoes on there. I even made me some carrots. You know, I'm trying to eat a little healthy. Shoot. You know what I'm saying? Told you. A little vegan never hurts nobody. And then I'm going to put me a little green beans on there. I do got a little bacon in there, so I cheated a little bit, but hey. Oh, man. And then the stars is meatloaf. Look at that. Now, come on now, y'all. Come on. That is country than a... Check it out.